Welcome to the Star City Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I'm Miss Sharon, and I'm going to read a Christmas story to you today called The Very Snowy Christmas, and this is by Diana Hendry, and it's from Little Tiger Press. Okay? It was Christmas Eve. Big Mouse was making cheese pies. Little Mouse was making paper chains. "Merry Christmas to us," said Little Mouse. "Big Mouse, can I decorate the Christmas tree now? Can I? Can I?" "Sure," said Big Mouse. "Let's do it together." Little Mouse hung mistletoe berries on the tree. Big Mouse put a star on the top. "We forgot the holly," cried Little Mouse. "I'll go get some." And off he went. Little Mouse set out singing, "Jolly holly, holly jolly, jolly holly Christmas." He ran over the bridge. Soon he found a holly bush with shiny red berries. "Oh, holly jolly, jolly holly, holly jolly Christmas," sang Little Mouse, stretching high to reach some. All at once, soft white flakes started falling around him. "The sky is coming apart," cried Little Mouse. He made a ball of white flakes and put it in his bucket to show Big Mouse. Then he hurried back over the bridge. Suddenly he saw a strange creature in the water, making faces at him and waving its arms. "Ooh," squeaked Little Mouse. "It's a mouse nest monster." Little Mouse could see its paw prints coming after him. He ran and ran, and still the mouse nest monster followed him. At last Little Mouse saw his house, but there in the yard was a huge white mouse. "Big Mouse, help!" he cried. "The sky is coming apart, a mouse nest monster is following me, and now that scary white mouse is staring at me." "Oh, Little Mouse," said Big Mouse, "the sky isn't coming apart, it's snowing. There aren't any monsters. Look, those are your paw prints and your reflection in the water. And this is a snow mouse I made," Big Mouse said. "Would you like to make another one with me?" And so they did. When it started to get dark, Big Mouse and Little Mouse went inside. They hung up their stockings for Santa Claus and warmed their paws by the fire. "I love Christmas," sang Little Mouse. "Jolly holly, holly jolly, jolly holly Christmas." Isn't that a cute story? Okay, if you picked up your packet at the library, I'd like to show you what's inside. First of all, I put a felt tree in there, and I gave you 7 of these red pom-poms to glue on. And of course, you could glue on buttons or sequins or anything else that you have at home that you would like to use. Okay, the next activity is a sequencing activity. It's called Christmas Trees for Sale. And what you need to do is take your scissors and just cut this out on the black lines, and you'll have 4 cards then. So here's the tree growing in the woods, then the tree is at the Christmas tree place, and then you put it on your car to take it home, and then you decorate at your house. So it's 4 different activities. Okay, so after you cut this out, you put the cards in this little pocket that I gave you, and I gave you some stickers to decorate the pocket with. And then the last activity is a wreath. And what I would do with this is I would take my red crayon to make berries on it, and I would draw red circles all on it. Then I would color the bow my favorite color, and then cut it out, leaving the black line on there, and then you can use it for a decoration. Okay, so I hope you enjoy these activities. And we will see you next time, and keep reading, okay? Bye-bye.